Yawa don't gas so because it be like say PDP party don't they get kasala. Wahala don't they shell inside their midst. E get one chief when they call Maduafokwa Olisakwe, abi na Maduafokwa. Don't come outside they talk say in fact PDP must give them back in money. Say that they owe him 25 million naira, saying use this money do something and they must return the money for them. After they want Oga, they force you do politics. You where you know say you don't go win, you can't go enter say you won't go do politics. I beg who won't vote for my people. Make I see the old man. I beg who won't vote for them before. When you can't decide say you won't go invest in 26 million. Now you can't they cry say by force they go give me money. My people I beg, make I follow me watch.
I am not happy.
Why?
When I picked up my form, which the party forced us to pay 26 million.
You call that force? Were you forced to pay 26 million?
I wasn't the first. I am among those who paid, and we are 16 in number. So the journey to this point had been very excruciatingly painful.
How so?
Having campaigned in 21 local governments, you cannot change the rules of the game after the game had started. You change the result or you shift the goalpost. So I cannot be happy. And the PDP, I'm telling them, will look for my money and all the money I spent. They are going to look for my money and all the money I spent.
In what way? Are you indirectly saying that you were suing the party, you're taking them to court?
I am not saying that, but I am saying that you may interpret it any way you see. But I am not happy.
So at this point, will you still go ahead with the exercise, or are you withdrawing or stepping down, sir?
I'm not going to be part of it.
You're not part of it?
I'm not.
Is that to say that you're withdrawing or stepping down, sir?
You can give it any interpretation, but I'm not going to waste any
So for us to be straight up or straightforward,
I will not take part in it.
you will not take part.
That is what I'm saying.
You will not take part in it. So are you saying that you are withdrawing from the exercise?
I'm quitting the exercise.
You're quitting and not withdrawing. Are you stepping down for any
I'm not.
of the aspirants?
No, it's never in the. I will never step down for anybody if I'm going to take part.
Oh, I don't hear. Baba say no, they happy at all. Say no, even happy at all. Say why they go they play game, they will can't change the game. It means say politics, now game for those of us we don't know. This man don't use his mouth to talk everything. But this is why they talk say you won't collect your money. Say everything where you don't spend, you must collect them back. In fact, if you now watch this interview reach the end, they funny me. The Baba even confused. Anti-journalists, why they confuse this man? They say you go stay, I mean no go stay. Baba first look and say, make you know, the man confused. He never know what he want to talk again. But I beg, I want to collect this money because I sure say they no force you. Now you decide say you won't be candidate. Now you decide say you won't go for election. Now make you go drop 26 million. Money where you suppose even you stay do better thing. In fact, even dash and for Nigerians, average Nigeria, just share that 1,000. Make everybody collect whole pocket. You know do. Now I can't they come outside, they complain. In fact, now what you see now you get to because this one we no go put mouth inside. Now on our game. But I beg, what did they happen inside PDP? Because under the same PDP, Zamfara State Governor, where name na Bello Matawale, himself don't decamp from PDP enter APC. On national set, people they talk say APC no good, APC no good. But how come everybody they enter APC? On national say something no they wrong like this. Because as it be like this, in fact, now only one state governor, that is Sokoto governor from the north, now he still be PDP member. It be like say then these APC people, they don't they put money inside all these people pockets. They don't they try buy everybody come out. Because I don't understand what they happen inside Nigeria again. I beg my viewers, I know what be the plan. Because now suppose know what they plan because these people don't they plan one kind thing to do. They don't they plan one kind game. Later now we go here say no more APC, no more PDP. They will come bring one kind new name. Be an ZYK. So now the new party name be this one. I sure say then these people when they get something where they do. I sure. Because all this mago where they do something they fishy. Another people on top of all this whole matter, now dear Governor Wike. Come as I talk, I beg, what did make people they even come out? Here's a reason I'm looking at why people they come out from this thing. So in fact, say it is very ridiculous for APC to despoil, in fact, to despoil their party. And now, after they don't spoil their party finish, now they come they thief their members. Say it wrong, it is very wrong. Now they hear APC member say the thing they pay, he don't even like and say, but him as in there forever inside PDP. Nothing they carry and come out. Now there, now in the day for. Say because you know they understand, say, and in fact, all these people will be saying that they come out from PDP, they go now because normally they never win any election. They know say they do work well. Now make they don't pack themselves like sardine. Say that they go PD, they go APC, go join their party. I think all of us they complain about this Buhari. It means that for the northern side, in fact, they're okay. It means that these people they're okay, they're alright with Buhari, with this APC people. But I sure say the youth where they come outside now, plus APC, plus PDP, I know, in fact, me, I never even know who I won't vote for. Because I don't even get confused by myself. If I reason now, PDP, the same thing. APC, the same thing. Who I won't come for that show where? So why would they behave like say one not sometimes? Then I won't go carry all my party and say I won't go vote for. But all this kind of party while I beg making us sort them out. Because we see the reason upon everything where now they divide now the same people waiting for APC, now them see they for PDP. So even if you vote for this, now the same thing they will show you. The same thing where this one they do, now this one will still do. So in fact, I'm not even confused. My people are beg. You know, so they shout and say 2023, make everybody go care PVC. Then a PVC or be na OPC. In fact, if you even get them, as Nigeria be, you feel even vote. What be say? Now these people yesterday, now they go still win. I no go surprise say 2023. Now still APC go win. I no go surprise. I no go. You no go even shock me. Because right now, apart from Tinubu, I never even know who they campaign again. So I beg who won't vote for? My people where they watch, I beg. Make them write down for the comment section who in they vote for, because me like this, I get confused. I don't know who I won't go for. Make them not forget to also like and share this video. Anything when I feel, make them not forget to write down for the comment section. I go see you now for the next video.